Hey everyone, what are we having today? We are having this is nyama choma, roasted meat, beef in specific, and we have spinach and kales all mixed up, and we have avocado here, and we are taking it with our staple food ugali. Let's just dig into it. Very fast, my hot and sweet into the sukuma wiki, just a bit. I like it that way. Then you just use your hand to scoop this way. Let me try this first. The place with the hot and sweet. Nyama chomo. So tender. Avocado. Very nice. Come to Kenya, ask about the nyama chomo, the spinach and the kales, and of course avocado, not forgetting the ugali.